If you lost your work because you didn't save your Premiere Pro project or the program crashed, you can still recover it. Here's how to get your project back. Go to the folder where your project was originally saved. If you're not sure where that is, open the Unsaved project in Premiere and check the file path shown at the top. In that location, look for a folder named Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave. Inside it, you'll find automatically saved versions of your project. Open the most recent one and your work should be restored. Pro tip: set Premiere Pro to autosave every 1 minute to avoid losing progress in the future. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.